Is this like a... No, this smells so freaking good. I'm gonna gift this one for sure, just because... Hi guys! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. One sec. Hi guys, welcome back. I've got some items here, so let's unbox them. As we all know, I am a hoarder, and I think part of my hoarding thing isn't just hoarding like products and rubbish, but it's also hoarding packages. Now, I don't get packages all the time or that often, but I have three packages that I have not opened. So let's open them on camera. So the first thing, I tell a lie actually, because I have actually opened this. I just basically opened the box and then left this as it is. So I would say maybe January, December, I don't know. I got some stuff from Tropic. As you guys know, I'm part of the Tropic creator community, so they send me stuff periodically. Yeah, so let's see what they've sent me. Oh, this is two things. Okay, so first of all, this is the Tropic artisanal, I cannot read. So first I have the Tropic artisanal body collection. This is lime leaf and peppermint. What is this? Jesus, dusty. I can tell they sent me this a while ago. Oh, stop it. This looks nice. Okay, so what is this supposed to be? So we have a body polish and a body pebble and a body mask. I don't know what this stuff means. What is this body pebble? Is this like a... No, this smells so freaking good. What? A bar... No, this smells delightful. I love that they've called this a body pebble instead of a bar of soap. Like, that is so cute. This smells amazing. No, this smells so good. That smells so good. To be fair, I'm not really like a soap person. I don't use soaps. I much prefer gels. But I do know that soaps are generally better for the environment. So I'm gonna switch to the soap because that looks amazing. And then I've got a body polish. I'm gonna assume this is like a... What do you call it? I'm gonna assume this is like a body scrub. No, stop it. That smells so good. I'm not gonna open it fully. That smells freaking amazing. That smells so good. Look at this stuff. I'm like, Tropic, I'm so sorry that I never opened these things on time because wow, that's amazing. This also smells amazing. This is a body mask. I don't know if this is like a body lotion. So basically I think this whole thing is just like a set, so you could do your full like evening routine. So you can use the bar of soap, you can use the body scrub, and then you basically slather your skin in this lovely body mask. I'm not going to open this fully because I might give this away. I'm going to guess, if I read the card, so they've got step 1, step 2, and step 3. That is amazing. That is so good. I'm really tempted to keep this, but I'm also like, maybe I'll give this away. If anyone is interested, let me know if you're interested in this. I might gift this. Let me know. That looks really good. That smells amazing. And this is lime leaf and peppermint. That smells so freaking good. I wish you could smell through the screen. It smells so good. Next, I've got the skincare selection box, Hydrate and Nourish. Wow, I like do not open my packages. This is what I mean. Like when you are something of a hoarder, you just don't open things. When did they give this to me? But this is purely on me because I've just took this from my mum's house, brought this to my house, and then I've just like left it underneath my console table. So like I really don't know like when they gave this to me. Oh, stop it. We've got another like skincare set. And basically all the steps to give you like a perfect like skincare routine, like a nice pampering thing. You know, I've never tried a Tropic mask before. I think they gave me a mask a while ago, but I ended up gifting it to one of my lovely subscribers. But they basically have all of their products. This is so cute. I'm gonna gift this one for sure, just because I don't like cream cleansers and I'm not a huge fan of their Skin Feast moisturizer. But oh my god, whoever gets this, you are so lucky, because this morning mist, you see this here, I love it. It's like my favorite Tropic product. It's so freaking good. And their bamboo cloths are so nice and so soft. I've not tried the face mask. I really want to try this, but I'm gonna keep this in here, and it's got this card here so you can see like all the things. Oh my god, guys. I'm gonna gift this. Guys, if any of you guys want anything from Tropic, let me know. I'm gonna gift these. These are so good. That's nice. And the smell, everything smells amazing. Okay, so this is mine. I bought this. This is not from Tropic. When did I buy this though? This is old. Oh, this is my foundation. Jeez, I bought this a long time ago. This is from Net-a-Porter. Is there a date on this? January. I love this for me. Wow, so I bought this in January. It is now March. I think by the time this video goes out, it might even be April. But I bought the Western Atelier Vital Skin Foundation Stick. But I remember I got this for like 20 something pounds. I feel like it was on offer. It was so cheap and I was so shocked. Yeah, I got this for £26.35p. I did have to pay for packaging, which brought it up to like £31, but that's still cheaper than it's ever been, ever, anywhere. So not bad. My foundation is still not finished, so I'm gonna keep this in here, I guess. I'm not giving this one away, by the way, so. Okay, next on my list, what is this? This one is Dusty AF. This one is so dusty, I don't want to bring it near me because I have a crazy allergy to dust, and I just feel like it's gonna like make me ill. But this was, I remember this one because this was made in an attempt to be delivered so many times to my house. Oh my god, stop it! So Tropic are known for their cream cleansers. I don't like cream cleansers. I feel like there's only been one cream cleanser that I've really ever used that I have liked, but generally I don't like cream cleansers, and as much as I love Tropic products, I think the Tropics are really nice. I could never really get behind their cream cleanser, which they have just gifted me, so I'm going to be gifting this cream cleanser. But I saw this was obviously months ago. Oh, this is January. But anyways, however, I saw that Tropic were launching a gel cleanser, which when I heard about that, I was so happy because I love a gel cleanser and I really only use gel cleansers. I think I use gel and foam cleansers and enzyme cleansers. So they launched a gel cleanser and I'm so excited about it. This is the hydrating cleanser and it's a refreshing facial jelly, very fancy. And this has cucumber extract, aloe vera juice, hyaluronic acid. I just think I'm gonna freaking love this. Freshly made for maximum results. A refreshing facial cleanser expertly formulated with a bespoke triple hydration complex to optimize skin's moisture levels and leave you deeply cleansed. You can use this every single day. This is to be used morning and night, triple hydration. It strengthens the skin barrier and it's got a bouncy gel texture. And I'm gonna give this a try because I've been waiting for this. And then in this box, they also sent their smoothing cleanser, which is a creamy cleanser. Apparently one sold every minute in 2023, so that's pretty great. But I'm gonna give this away because I don't like cream cleansers. So let me know if you'd be interested in a cream cleanser. I might actually give that to my friend actually. Oh my God. That's exciting. That is very exciting. Okay, and then the last product, this actually inspired this video because this was at my mum's house and had been at my mum's house for like 2 weeks. Oh. Okay, this is like a box of amazing things to help you sleep. So don't sleep on Sleep Maxing, the ultimate guide to your best night's sleep. Ooh, so Sleep Maxing, the art of elevating your sleep to optimize health and well-being. Yeah, wow, I love this. This is so great. There's so much stuff here, like I don't even know like where to start. So first of all, what is in here? So first of all, I have a body wash. This is mangosteen, thyme, and mandarin. I just know this is gonna smell ridiculously good. I can't smell anything, it's got the seal on it. Stop it, that smells so good. I'm gonna use this tonight. It's a creamy body wash. See, I don't like creams. When I'm like cleaning myself, I don't like creams, so I'm a bit skeptical that this is a creamy body wash, but I'm gonna give this a go because the smell is amazing. This has guava leaf juice, bamboo water, and avocado oil. I thought this was gonna be so good. My skin has been so dry as well. Oh, okay, very excited about that. Then next I have the Tropic Body Love, a firming buttercream. Why have they put it wrapped like this. It's funny because I, this morning, was complaining about my current body cream, the Nivea Soft Cream. Nivea have changed their formula and I do not like it. My skin is so dry, so ridiculously dry, I don't like it. I was thinking to myself, okay, I need to find a new body lotion. Tropic said, hold that thought. This is a firming buttercream, shea butter, pink peppercorn, and vitamin E. This is right up my street. They said it's got a zesty scent. I can't smell anything because the thing is closed, but I'm going to use this and report back. I'm so excited about this. I'm very excited about that. I'm going to use this tonight as well. Then, what's this? Oh, I've got a sleepy mocktail. What is this? They gave me tea. I love pucker tea. I've got nighttime pucker tea. It's actually funny because this morning I've been drinking the pucker manuka honey, lemon and ginger tea. So I'm gonna have these tonight. Thank you guys. That is so cute. And they said that everything in this mailer is recyclable, which we love. Okay. I'm like, how do these people know that I've not been sleeping well? Crazy. These smell so good. They're like literally radiating. What is this? I got a cute juice. When does this expire? Good thing I got this from my mum's house. Well, good thing my sister got this from my mum's house because there are edible things in here. But this will just teach me to be more on the ball. I got a tart cherry pressed juice. I love cherries. Cherries are really good for you. And I love anything like sour. Okay, this expires in November, so that's good. Oh, I'm gonna drink this after I film this video. Nice. What is this? A temple balm. What is that? Do you know what? I think this is something that you like rub on your head. Okay. Oh. This smells of lavender. This smells so good. Oh my God. That smells so good. Okay, I can't lift up the bottom of this, but this smells so freaking good. I feel like if you were to rub this on your temples, you would fall asleep in an instant. I'm gonna use this tonight. Oh my God. This smells so good. If you like lavender, guys, I will have to report back to you because I have been having trouble sleeping for the last like month or so, and I feel like everything here is gonna actually help me sleep. Also, last year I bought Dr. Matthew Walker's Why We Sleep book, which I've not started reading it, but I bought the book because I want to be getting into sleep. I think especially as a 32-year-old woman, I think sleep is so important, but I just like can't get into it. I'm not, like I always have trouble sleeping, so I'm so excited about all of this stuff. There's one last thing in here. Hydrogel face masks. Is that the similar thing that was just in the other box? Yes, okay. Nice. Okay, so I've got 3 hydrogel face masks, which are packed with aloe vera juice, allantoin, and peptides. Ultra hydrating skin treatment. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. I think I'm going to keep one because I've never tried one. I think I'll give one to my sister and then I'll give one to my mum. I think my mum will really like this. Tropic. Thank you so much. I'm loving it. I feel so happy. It's nice to like open gifts in the middle of the week on a random day. Nice. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be giving away. It's funny because the last time I did this, I feel like only 2 people reached out. So I think here's what I'm going to do because I only have one face. And like I said, there are some things that I just don't like and I don't use. So I'm going to be giving away 3 things. 3 things. I'm going to be giving away this artisanal set, which smells so freaking good. I kind of don't want to give this away. Like just the smell radiating from the box. Everything smells so good. So I might give this away. I don't know. If you're really nice to me, I might give this away. That's really nice. But I'm definitely giving away this, the skincare selection box. This basically has everything you need to do like a morning skincare routine, evening skincare routine, because you can actually use all of these products morning and night, and 1 hydro mask. So this is everything in this set. We've got a cream cleanser, a creamy moisturizer, morning mist. This is the best mist ever. A forest Dew Hydration Serum. I've never tried this before, but I've used another one of their serums which I really like. And then we also have a bamboo face cloth. So I'm gonna give this away, and it will also come with this, so you can see like what order to use things in and like how each product is supposed to work. Nice. This will also be first come first serve basically, but if you would like to receive this skincare box, literally comment down below, hi Alice, I would love to receive the skincare selection box, and I will send this to you. And it's nice mini sizes, so it's not too much of a commitment. This is only for UK based people though, so if you're anywhere in the UK, I will send this to you. Sorry international fans. And then the next thing that I'm going to give away is the smoothing cleanser. If you would like to receive the cream cleanser, you basically just need to comment below, hi Alice, I would like to receive the Tropic smoothing cleanser, and I will send that to you free of charge. I'm like so torn because I really don't want to keep this, but do you know what, let me give this away out of the kindness of my heart. If you would like the artisanal body collection, you just need to comment down below, hi Alice, I would love to receive the artisanal body collection. This smells so freaking good. Amazing. So you can either comment down below on YouTube, or you can leave me a comment on my latest Instagram post. Anywhere, as long as I can see it. And as long as I know that you want something, then I will send this. This is first come, first serve. I feel so happy. This has put me in such a good mood. As for everything else, I'm gonna keep everything else. I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna use this tomorrow. I'm so excited about this body wash. I'm gonna use this tonight. And this drink, I'm gonna drink as soon as I'm finished. This tea, I'm gonna have after my dinner. Where's that Temple one? Which just smells absolutely delightful. This Temple, I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna try this out. And yeah, as always, thank you Tropic for sending me this stuff. I feel so loved and just so lucky. I'm gonna have a link to Tropic's website down below in case you want to check anything out. Their products are so great. They always have some really interesting stuff, and they're always working very interesting products. A while ago, I think like 2 years ago, I think it was now, I filmed a what you should buy from Tropic video. So I'll have that link down below in case you want to know what some of my favorite Tropic products are. Although after this unboxing, I feel like I need to update that video because there is more stuff that you need to buy for Tropic. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you like these unboxing videos. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and in the meantime, I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys! Mwah.